Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add hometown on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add hometown on Bigo Live. Maybe because you want to add your hometown so that other people could get to know where you are from. Or maybe you want to get all the audience from a specific country, so you want to add that country as your hometown so you can get your desired audience. Or it could be any other reason for you to add your hometown on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Bigo Live app looks. We have a lot of live streams, or you could say content, on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom as well. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on the right bottom option, which is profile icon, or you could say me option. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into this page. Here first you will read the title of me, and you will see some options like your name, profile icon, and user ID, and other information related to your account. After that, you have to click onto this profile icon. You just have to simply tap on it, and then you will get again into a part of your profile. There you could also find information related to your account. So from all these options, again you have to click onto this pencil icon, which is on the top right side of the screen. Once you tap onto that pencil icon, you will get into it, and there you will see the title of edit at the top of the page. As you can see here, we have this title that I just talked about, edit, and we have some options. Now what you have to do here is that first you have to scroll down to the down of the page, and there you will see some options. From all these options, you will see this option which says hometown, which is in this section. So hometown means country in which you live or where you belong from. So if your account doesn't have any hometown or country, so you can add it by just tapping on hometown, and there you will see all the countries that are available on the earth. It will appear here. You can choose any one of these. Otherwise, you can go to the search section and you can search by the name of the country, and once the country appears, you just have to simply tap onto that country, and that option or that country will be selected as your hometown country, and it will appear on your account. So here you can see I just selected this option, Austria, and it just got selected with a blue tick. And after that, you have to click on to this option which says confirm. You just have to simply click on it. After that, it will indicate you that your thing has been successfully done, and you could also see the country flag. That means the hometown or the country has been added here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add a country or hometown on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.